Hi there, and welcome again to Chef in My Kitchen episodes. After yesterday's chicken dish, the Lebanese chicken dish, today once again we are doing something with high protein. Usually fish and shellfish are nutrient dense, and salmon is no exception or any different. It is very high in protein, and a lot of our clients, the athletes, they're very keen on salmon. So this is what we're going to do today, something slightly different from what we used to give them, and I'm sure if they can try it at home they will like it. And of course, like I keep saying all the time, this is not just for footballers or athletes, this is for everybody that likes some healthy light foods. So here we go. So as you can see, we've got a fresh piece of salmon here. I cut it in two, so portion control. So first thing we do with this is we've got some mustard here that will spread it all over. Then we have some Manuka honey. Some of you might say, well, this is so much sugar in it, so much glucose in it. Yes, there is, but a good glucose. So just like the mustard, we'll just spread it nicely and evenly. Bunch of or teaspoon, I would say, of salt and black pepper, and that is that. As simple as that. No more, no less. We transfer them into a tray. We'll put them in the oven. The oven is on for around 185 fan assisted, and we keep it there roasting. Now with the salmon in the oven, we are gonna concentrate on something else to go with it, and we've got quinoa. Is another substitute for rice and pasta maybe. However, with quinoa is slightly different. It increases metabolism and reduces appetites, and it is very high in protein and low on glycemic. With all these together, they are all linked to weight loss. So what we do is, let's start with putting our hob on. The amount to use is for a cup of quinoa, 2 cups of water. So is 2 to 1. 2 water, 1 quinoa. 10 minutes or so, it will be the same time as the salmon. Now while the quinoa is cooking slowly, we're gonna prepare some broccoli. Different from the way you used to do it. Now this broccoli is we're gonna put it in a pan, no water, nothing at all. Cover it. Okay, now the quinoa is ready and all the water has finished and evaporated. We've got some fresh spinach, baby spinach here, organic. Give it a good mix. A bit of salt, a bit of pepper, a dash of olive oil so it doesn't stick. We cover it for 5 minutes, 6 minutes or so. Let's have a look at the salmon and see what happened with it. Oh, look at that. How beautiful. Nice, glazed, brown, shiny. So if you are wondering what we do serve our clients, this is what they have. I hope you've enjoyed this recipe with us, and we'll see you soon. Have a nice day.